Hi, this is Scott Brown, and today we're exploring the new Autel MaxiSYS MS906MAX, a powerful diagnostic tool built to handle everyday shop challenges without breaking the bank. We'll explore its key features and demonstrate its capabilities with some on-car diagnostics. So what's in this tool? Well, we have an enhanced processor and increased memory for faster response times. And this runs in the new Android 10 environment. And the MS906MAX features a large 10.1-inch display that's 2 inches larger than its predecessor, the MS906 Pro. The MS906MAX offers extensive vehicle coverage and functionality, including advanced service resets, full OE level diagnostics, including bi-directional controls and module coding. So let's hook it up to the vehicle and have a look. Stand alone on this one. We do the auto scan. Let it scan all the modules. Then you can do a save as a PDF, graph merge, have all the same controls. You can hit record. Now, workflow-wise, the tool offers the same basic features and abilities found on other, more expensive tablets, along with the ability to generate pre- and post-scan reports. Expandability is also a feature on the MS906MAX with the purchase of either the MaxiVideo MV105S or the MV108S. The tablet can be converted into an endoscope for digitally inspecting hard-to-reach, hard-to-see engine or component spaces. Or you can pair the tablet with the BT506 and perform direct battery, starter, and alternator testing. So you have many of the same functions that are available in the other tools. Idle relearn, cylinder power balance. There's our misfire, number 3. And when you complete your scanning session, the tablet reminds you to remove the VCI both with visual and sound. We know we don't want to leave this in the vehicle. Well, that's all I have for now, and I hope you found this video both helpful and informative. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.